Hi to my ties of fun about for now the weekends fans out there. I'm Tom and it's Monday's vlog. Well guys, it's a nice day. It's got white clouds, blue sky, as you can see right here. We're out and about and going to get dinner from KFC. Take a look at that. Those are just love those days. It's nice, warm. Sometimes it gets cool in the mornings, it gets cool at nights. When the sun goes down, you get the sunset going on out in the distance. Who doesn't love that? Man, yeah, I've got my V8 Splash, fruit flavored V8 Splash, strawberry actually, my bad. Anyway, I'm in the car, in town, and going to get KFC dinner, as I mentioned, in Coleman. So yeah, and I'm in no seatbelt.
No.
Let me tell you about why I'm not in seatbelt.
No.
Well, take a look at this.
Once you rewind.
That's going to be a challenge getting that seatbelt untangled. I mean, it's really going to get a challenge. It's going to be a challenge to get that thing untangled. And guess what? I'm going to do a video on how I get myself out of that jam right about now.
Here we go.
How you like that, guys? Got my camera case out from getting tangled. Before I go close to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a sight and sound of cows without them saying moo, but it'll be just me in the pose doing panoramic shots of me gazing both sides of the street. Yeah, on both sides of the properties. Here we go. I want to get myself out of the way first before you guys can see it. Well guys, like as I said about the subject about how to get out of the seatbelt, a tangled up seatbelt. So if you like this video, you can give me some likes. If you want to give me a comment down below, you can. And subscribe to my channel because I can be able to build up a bunch of subscribers. And make sure you hit that bell too also, don't forget about that, because you can only get signed in after you've been signed up for your own YouTube channel to do that. That way you could be able to receive some content from me. Any of the videos that I've got uploaded will be giving you a signal from the bell, like say the ding ding. I'll be back again sometime, you guys. Bye. about ties to film up for now. The Weekend Zoo fans out there. I'm Tom, and it's Saturday. No, it's Saturday.